Worried about what to cook or don't have enough time to prepare something for long? Don't worry, you can enjoy your favorite Indian cuisine at the comfort of your home in 15 minutes. Just imagine. That's exactly what we're bringing for you. Something sweet, heavenly, and tasty in this episode of Holami in the Kitchen. Let's find out what it is. Karibuni. Well, here we have some boneless chicken breasts. So for this, we're going to cut them into small cube-like pieces. Ensure it's not very small pieces, since when it's very small pieces, it can easily get lost into the sauce. So we're just going to cut it into small pieces. Once done chopping the chicken breasts, let's transfer them to a bowl where we'll do the marination. So drizzle some bit of oil onto your chicken breast, then add in the spices. So for the spices, I use paprika, cumin, garam masala, black pepper, turmeric, and chili powder. The chili powder I just kept a bit, but if your intensity and tolerance for chili is high, you can add a bit more. Then stir to mix the marinade into the chicken. Then next add in some vinegar, stir, mix and cover, and put your chicken breast into the fridge to marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour, but not more than 1 hour. So once the marination is done, heat up your pan, add in some oil, not too much because we're not deep frying the meat over here. Then add in your chicken into your pan to cook. Over here I decided to do it in batches since I had quite a lot of meat, and you don't want to overcrowd your pan or overload your pan, since this makes the meat not to cook evenly. Cook the meat while turning on each side to ensure it cooks evenly. So we are going to do this until the meat is cooked for about 3 to 5 minutes. Since this is boneless chicken breast, it doesn't require a lot of time to cook. Once ready, just transfer it into a bowl lined with some kitchen towel. This ensures it absorbs the excess oil from the chicken. Once the first batch is done, add in the second batch and cook the same way we have just done with the first batch until ready. And set aside to prepare the sauce. Next, you're going to make the butter sauce. So in a blender, add in your onions chopped, some garlic cloves and ginger, tomatoes, then add in some bit of water, just a little bit to help the blender. Then cover and blend to a smooth paste. Once blended, pour in the blended paste into the pan that you're using for the chicken. You want the chicken flavors to still be in the sauce. It's all about building the flavors when cooking. Then add in 1 spoon of butter. That's why it's called butter chicken. I know, right? Then add in the spices. The same spices I used while marinating are the same ones I'm using over here. Then add in a pinch of salt. Stir and simmer for about 3 minutes before adding your cooking cream. You can also use heavy cream, but over here I decided to use cooking cream. Then I added the cooked chicken that we had set aside. Stir the chicken to mix and immerse with the sauce, that is the butter chicken sauce. Then cover your pan and let it cook and simmer for about 5 minutes. Once ready, open the cooking pan, then garnish with some bit of dhania leaves. And that's it. Super quick, simple, 15 minutes and you have your meal. Serve it with your preferred accompaniment. For me, I served it with rice. You can do with also chapati or some naan. Imagine garlic naan or butternut or methi naan. Oh, yummy. So heavenly and sweet. Yeah. You have to make your life sweet with some amazing food. So thank you so much for sticking around till the end. Till next time, remember to subscribe and share with your family and friends. See you next time for another episode of another recipe right here on Hola Me. Keep it locked. Kwaheri.